Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today me and my mom is making limeachar. And here are the ingredients. We have salt, garlic, chili pepper, and of course lime. So we're gonna cut the lime and remove all the seeds and then take some of the juice from the lime and make the limeachar. So I'm gonna mix the achar now. I have the pepper and the lime. I'm gonna add the salt. So 2 teaspoons salt, and we have lime juice and garlic in here. I'll have some more lime juice in here. And this is done. Now we're going to put the achar in the jar. And with the salt, the lime is going to lose the juice by itself, so you don't have to worry that it looks dry now. I'm finished making the limeachar now. I'm going to leave this for 1 month in the sun and then it will be ready. Here's my limeachar. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.